Guys, it's storming really bad outside, so you know what that means? There's a huge lightning show right now. It should be up there somewhere. Just wait a second, it'll show up. A couple seconds ago, I just saw lightning, so did you guys see that? It just lightning strike. Oh, there's another bolt just right there. Oh, that was an awesome show that just happened right there. I'm standing on a freaking table right now. That was my mother. Oh, it just happened. This is a very lit lightning show right now, not gonna lie. There's like a white cloud right there. Oh shit. Stuff's getting real right now. My God. Alright. Peace.